Ever watched a Formula One pit crew change 4 tires in 3 seconds, moving with such speed and precision it almost seems unreal? And then wondered why it takes your factory 45 minutes just to switch from one product to another, losing valuable production time in the process? It's not magic. It's all about mindset and a relentless focus on improvement. Let me introduce you to the pit stop concept. Born on the racetrack, it's now revolutionizing factories around the world, big and small. The secret? Speed, precision, and flawless teamwork, just like in Formula One. Every single task gets broken down into its smallest possible steps. Each team member knows their exact role and responsibilities, and every second is squeezed for maximum efficiency with no wasted motion. So, how does it work in practice? First, identify those high downtime activities, think changeovers or routine maintenance that slow you down. Next, break the process into bite-sized, crystal-clear micro-steps that anyone can follow. Then, assign fixed roles. Just like a pit crew, everyone knows exactly where to be and what to do. Prepare everything in advance: tools, materials, paperwork, and even backup supplies. Practice the sequence together as a team until it becomes second nature. Finally, measure, review, and keep improving. The results are stunning and often immediate. Changeovers that took 40 minutes now take just 12. Machines restart faster, production flows smoothly with fewer interruptions. And your team? They become a synchronized unit, fast, coordinated, unstoppable, and proud of their achievements. Here's the best part. No need for new machines, just a new way of thinking and working together. The pit stop concept proves that efficiency starts with mindset, not money or expensive upgrades. If you're ready to transform your factory like a Formula One pit crew, hit like, share, and subscribe for more fresh ideas on lean manufacturing and operational excellence. Efficiency isn't just possible. It starts right now. Let's race ahead together.